Boys and girls, we have been talking about the long O and the bossy E. Today we're going to work on word patterns or word families using that bossy E and the long O. Remember, by knowing word patterns or word families, they help us read and write other words. So let's look at this first word pattern. This is O's. That E tells that O to say its name. Read that with me, O's. By knowing O's, it helps me. It helps me to know this word. Read this word with me. Hose. Hose. Let's look at this word. It also helps me with the word nose. Do you see that word pattern in both of these words? O's. So hose and nose. Let's look at this word pattern. This says ope. Say that with me. Ope. By knowing ope, it helps me with the word rope and hope. Read those words with me. Rope, hope. Good job, boys and girls. Let's look at this one. This is own. By knowing the word family own, it helps me with this word. Own, cone. And this word, own, bone. Let's look at this word family. This is oat, oat. By knowing oat, it helps me with the word oat, tote. It also helps me with the word vote, vote. Let's look up here at this word. This is this a word? I just said word. Let's look at this word pattern. This is obe, obe. By knowing obe, it helps me with robe, robe. It also helps me with globe, globe. Let's look at this last word pattern. This is oak, oak. By knowing oak, it helps me with the word oak, joke. And it also helps me with the word oak, spoke. Boys and girls, by knowing word patterns, it helps us write and read new words. There are many other words we could have on this chart, can't we? Okay, like under own, we could have cone, clone, right? There are many other words we can add. So remember, word families help us write and read new words. Let's end our lesson by reading all of these words. Ready? Hose, nose, rope, hope. Are you reading with me? Make sure you are. Cone, bone, tote, vote, robe, globe, joke, spoke. Boys and girls, thank you so much for working with me today on our word patterns.